Built by South Africa's leading architect Stephen Anthony, Villa 008 is a magnificent property, perfectly situated between the Atlantic Ocean and the iconic 12 Apostles mountain range. From the moment you arrive, the architecture makes a statement. Clean lines, natural textures, and a tranquil koi pond setting the tone. Set across multiple levels, this home is all about flow, designed to maximize space, scale, and uninterrupted views. With comfort in mind, the villa hosts up to 14 guests across 5 bedrooms, plus 2 fully self-contained studio suites. Each bedroom is ensuite, designed with a clean, modern aesthetic and a focus on space and functionality. Select rooms open directly onto terraces, pool decks, or garden areas, enhancing the indoor-outdoor flow, meaning the choices you have are endless. Now onto the studios. These offer a more private setup, complete with their own lounges and kitchenettes. When it comes to entertaining, the villa is designed across both the upper and lower levels. Starting with the top, this space offers a more elevated setting, with its own kitchen, dining area, and private pool deck, all positioned to maximize the views. On the lower level, the home opens onto the main entertainment terrace, also fitted with its own kitchen, outdoor dining space, and multiple lounge areas. To complete the experience, a private chef is included, preparing and serving meals in-house, tailored to your preferences. From kitchen to table, every detail is taken care of. And for wellness, a fully equipped gym is located on the lowest level, adding to the home's complete lifestyle offering. A true, one-of-a-kind masterpiece.